I have shared the induction slide. Students in the online mode, is the induction PPT visible?
Yes, ma'am, visible, but your voice is coming low.
I can't do anything for the voice. My Bluetooth is not getting connected. क्या करूँ मैं? Anybody is using a Bluetooth like this? बता लो उधर इसको connect कैसे करते हैं? हाँ. One minute, the students who are there in the offline online mode.
Connect to mobile or laptop.
नहीं लैपटॉप को कनेक्ट कर. मैंने ब्लूटूथ ऑन किया है. I am asking because I am not able to do it. I am trying it since a long time. पेयर करना पड़ेगा ना इसमें. Please.
इसमें ऑन है कि ऑफ?
इसमें ऑफ है. इसमें वो अनपेयर भी हो गया. नहीं ये मेरा XR है. इसको ऑन कर. ऐड डिवाइस पे जा. It is not able to connect. It is not even showing the device. क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा?
लाइट हो गया है क्या?
कुछ भी नहीं समझ रहे हैं. It was actually connected to the charge है. It is not connecting.
यही ऑन है.
अरे the device is on रे बाबा. चार्ज खुला जा.
कुछ लाइट वगैरह ब्लिंक होता है ना मैम उसमें तो.
So I asked you. नहीं बोल रहा है यार.
मैम ये ऑन नहीं है. फोन में कनेक्ट हो रहा है क्या?
फोन में भी नहीं कनेक्ट हो रहा है आज.
ये है क्या?
नहीं. कलर फिट. अभी देख. Thank you. Thank you. Now those who are there in the online mode, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you are like you can talk a little louder. Okay, fine. Chalo. So let's begin with the induction for the sub. Okay. So yesterday I gave you first of all good morning to everybody. Why two people are sitting on one bench? Shift yourself. No, it was been given a warning to us that one student, one bench. So we are calling you in a 50% capacity, no? Okay. So yesterday when we had a formal induction for the complete course, today I'm going to specifically talk about my subject. I'm going to discuss the number of units which you have, the job opportunities which we have for this subject. Along with that, a few examples of our alumni students who are a part of the industry currently doing something or the other in the field of ITSM. Okay. And then towards the end, the exam pattern will be discussed. So that is what is the agenda for the today's class. Now, what is wrong? Fine. Now, what does the subject actually stand for, or what is the subject doing for you? We studied software engineering. Yes. Then last semester, which was the topic which you studied, which was related to project management? Okay. So in both of these subjects, did you study models? Like, did you study waterfall model? You studied spiral model? You understood what is the reason for having Scrum? Okay. Then you talked about evolutionary model, right? You talked about CMMI. Then you talked about कोकोमो मॉडल. तो ये सब कुछ जो तुम लोग ने पढ़ा, ठीक है, इसका एक्चुअली रियल लाइफ में यूज होता है, बट हम लोग एज अ स्टूडेंट इसका एक्सटेंसिव यूज नहीं करते until and unless you are doing a live project, okay, or a small scale project anywhere. Fine. Now these things which you have studied, they are individually talking about a product development or a software development. Okay, now here in this subject, we are going to talk about the subject as a, just imagine it as a circle. And inside that circle, you are going to have these components, like you studied SE, you studied project management. So those two aspects you studied. In those two aspects, you studied various models. And you can do a certification in any of the model depending upon the need of the company. Fine. So ITSM हर एक फील्ड में अप्लाई होता है. इट इज नॉट कंसर्न ओनली विद आईटी कि ओके ITSM, so IT service management, it is not only concerned with IT, it is actually the implications of IT in any field, that is use of IT in any field. Currently अगर तुम लोग सबसे ज्यादा इसका वैल्यू या इंपॉर्टेंस फाइंड आउट करोगे, there is a huge demand for supply chain management. Have you been reading news for the past 6-7 months? Suez Canal का केस याद है तुम लोग को? Suez Canal में that cargo ship had blocked the complete road. When the cargo ship had blocked the complete road, पूरे वर्ल्ड का कार्गो इन एंड आउट चेंज हो गया था. There was lot of use of resources and the road has to be changed. Yes, the waterway had to be changed. Okay. तो Suez Canal का वो जो प्रॉब्लम था, वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व भी करना था. मतलब वो निकालने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि इंपोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट को मैनेज करना. ओके, प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंज्यूमर प्रॉब्लम जो तुमने ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में पढ़ा है, उसको मैनेज करना. सो व्हेन आई वांट टू डू थिंग्स लाइक दिस, I actually have to make use of IT. And when I'm making use of IT, I can make use of ITSM into it. So ITSM is a very big circumference. Inside the circumference, there are sub-components. And these sub-components are actually implied on other domains. One I told you as a domain is supply chain management. Another domain which is really very important is the healthcare domain. We are looking after healthcare now very prominently. Like everywhere, healthcare is important. There are hospitals like Hinduja is one of the hospital if you look after, which is completely automated. Completely automated. From the ICU department, okay, to the billing department. There are few hospitals which are not yet. Nanavati Hospital, if you look into, completely automated even for their surgeries. Yeah. तो ये सब कुछ जो बैकएंड में मैनेज करना है, मैनेजेबिलिटी के लिए जो लगता है हमें, दैट इज योर ITSM. Fine. So coming to the task, it is involved in designing creating, delivering, supporting, and managing the IT services for any given product or a domain. Now, this is the life cycle, and this life cycle is what we are going to study throughout the subject. So your units which you have, your units are divided actually like this. The first unit which we are going to have, we are going to see the next slide. उसमें the first unit will be introduction to ITSM, then strategy, मतलब क्या हम लोग use कर रहे हैं उसके लिए. Then comes the design of it, the transition, operation, and continual service improvement. इसके लिए कल I had taken this lecture in TYA yesterday first. That was the last lecture, मतलब the third lecture for the day. By third lecture, all the students were drained out by yesterday. The reason is very simple. After 1.5 years, you have come to college and you're sitting a lecture. तुम लोग सेकेंड लेक्चर के बाद ही ट्रेन आउट या फर्स्ट लेक्चर के बाद ही प्रोबेबली ट्रेन आउट हो चुके होंगे. ओके, इज दैट अ ट्रांजिशन फॉर यू? Yes, and you have to anyhow maintain it till the end of the lecture, right? So that is an operation for you. मतलब mentally you're going to tell your brain that, see brain, listen, that we have to complete 3 lectures in the college. Okay, so some kind of operations you're going to do to your brain, मतलब some kind of time pass you will start doing with your brain so that you survive that time period. Okay, that is your operation. And last is the continuous service improvement. This is only the lecture. Practicals are yet to begin. Sure, अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. तो practicals के लिए I have to do a continuous service improvement. ठीक है? Now, why ITSM? Like, why do we actually have to use it? Last semester, what we had done, like last year when we were teaching this subject, we had taken a practical, the first 3 practicals which were taken were case study oriented. And then later on, we made use of an MIT app inventor for conducting the practicals for the subject. This semester, what we have done is, we have completely shifted to case studies first and uske baad practicals. मतलब theory lecture में we will do case studies also. Now, why did I tell you this? Why ITSM? In those case studies, you will be finding real life example of where ITSM has been actually used. Okay, so there is this Pennsylvania state, everybody knows about it. जैसे अपने यहाँ पे BMC है, बृहन मुंबई कॉर्पोरेशन, म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. इसका रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या है? Anybody of you has ever approached BMC for any work? अच्छा, मास्क के पैसे भरने के लिए गया था तू? Okay, and for any reasons have you ever approached BMC? Okay, for reducing electricity bill. And so these processes which you did, were they manual or were they operated? Like were they automatic? Right, they were manual. Did you ever try that BMC has its own website? Then why did you go for a manual process? You can be loyal to your answers. Yeah. Why did you go for this manual process? It has a website. Have you seen the website? First question is that. That is the answer. See, you yourselves are giving me the answer. Those are their flaws. Okay, flaws need to be improved. So the same thing was done. तू क्या कर रहा है? तू ऐसे मुंडी मत हिला. हाँ, मुझे समझ में आता है. समझने की क्या कोशिश कर रहे हो तुझे भी पता है. So the similar way, Pennsylvania में they have their municipal corporation. Now these municipal corporation is actually handling multiple small areas. This districts. ठीक है, जैसे मुंबई district, कुर्ला, ठाणे. So we are looking for Mumbai. मुंबई में भी we have zones, right? तो ये zones के ऊपर देखभाल करना, मतलब actually looking that things are working properly. जैसे झाड़ बढ़ गया है, so BMC wala is only going to come and they are going to cut off the extra tree growth which is happening, right? If there is a pothole, then those are only the ones who are going to come and going to repair it. Any problem, they are the one who have to take it. Although the problem over here is what? It's a slow process, right? It is more over a manual process. The same happened to them. Now this story which I am telling you about Pennsylvania, it was somewhere in the year of 2000 case mein. हम लोग अभी भी वही प्रॉब्लम में इंडिया में लड़ रहे हैं, अपने को भी टाइम लगेगा. What they did, they started making use of these softwares of ITSM. ओके मतलब उन्होंने ITSM को यूज किया. अभी तुम लोग बोलोगे मैम ITSM इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर. क्या? ITSM is not a software. ITSM is actually a practice which is telling you that complete your manual work to an automated process. So they started shifting it to automation. Now when they started shifting it to automation, they did not only made automation a practice, but they made a point that all the employees who are a part of that corporation make use of that automation. And when they started using of that automation, then they found out distinguished results. ठीक है, अभी इसके पीछे चार बंदे हैं नहीं, actually there is a leader who needs first to be getting certified for an ITSM. That leader is the one who is going to provoke all the employees who are a part of it, and that provokeness is actually helping the rest of the citizens of Pennsylvania state. तो उसके ऊपर हम लोग एक केस स्टडी करेंगे. I'll share the PDF with you. You have to go through the PDF when we will be doing actual classes. You guys have to go through the PDF, and then we'll be having more over a question answer round for the case study. ठीक है? Okay. What is it helping you? It is helping you to have a goodwill, एक अच्छा goodwill. ठीक है? What does the word goodwill mean? Goodwill मतलब TYC का क्या नाम है स्टाफ रूम में, पूछो मत. Seriously, I am not joking. I am just not joking. Yesterday we just had a normal discussion. Ketki ma'am was sitting, Seema ma'am was sitting there, and Asif sir came there. Okay, so we just had a normal discussion, like how many students have come to the college, what is the approach of all the TYs which have come to the college. After our lecture got over, then I saw that there were very few students in D division. E division also there were very few. I was very happy to see that we had somewhere around 17 or 18 students yesterday in the morning class. Okay. And then later on I went to the staff room. फिर वापस मेरा A division में lecture था. A division में सुबह थे 9 बच्चे. 12 o'clock के lecture में थे only दो या चार बच्चे. क्यों? कहाँ गए? AC बंद हो गया, so they disappeared. So no, the problem is what? Then we were just talking कि अरे ये डिवीजन ऐसा है, वो डिवीजन ऐसा है, and then we were like हाँ TYC अच्छा है अपना, तो उसके ऊपर हम लोग का डिस्कशन. And applaud to yourself. So what is the scope? Scope is first of all a goodwill. You actually improvise your goodwill in the market. Fine. So that's the first thing. Any service will always tell you. Second, you have to always reduce on cost. Cost efficientness is one of the quality of any organization. So you have to reduce on cost. Okay. And then faster response time. Computer networks में हम लोग ने पढ़ा है, थ्रूपुट अच्छा है तो नेटवर्क बिकता है, थ्रूपुट गंदा है नेटवर्क नहीं बिकेगा. ठीक है? Then you will start criticizing the network. Fine. So that is what the scope of any given product actually tells you. Now, here are the job opportunities. But as a fresher, you are currently a fresher, right? For a fresher, getting into ITSM is going to be a little difficult. So where do you start with? I believe I might have told you this. We had our students, तुम्हारे पहले वाला batch, who have got into L&T. So L&T first 3 months is going to give you training. Okay. In that training, they train you either on the options which you have to select and how well you are in those options, like cloud, databases, or Java programming, or networking, matlab security. Fine. And according to that, you will be put into one particular field. Also, project management is a part of it. So we have one of the students who is a part of project management team. And that student is right now making use of ITIL framework. ITSM बड़ा circumference, इसके नीचे हम लोग ITSM, उसके अंदर आता है ITIL. ITIL क्या है? एक फ्रेमवर्क है. फ्रेमवर्क मतलब क्या? तुम्हें अगर ये डेस्क उठाना है, मतलब आई हैव टू पिक दिस अप एंड आई हैव टू कीप इट आउटसाइड द क्लास. आई रैंडमली कैन नॉट पिक इट अप. देयर इज अ रूल. द रूल वुड बी फर्स्ट पिक इट अप स्ट्रेट, then turn it to 90 degree, then push it and move it out of the class. What is that? That's a framework. Okay, you need to follow that. What does a framework, or why is a framework prepared? A framework is prepared depending upon the practices already used in the industry. And they are a little bit faster. Okay, तो वो एक प्रैक्टिस को हम लोग बोलते हैं, एक प्रैक्टिस का नाम है ITIL. ठीक है. So he is actually right now a part of ITIL. मतलब he's making use of those ITIL things. Okay. There is also two students who are a part of Here Maps. मैंने बोला है तुमको, Here Maps में वो लोग काम कर रहे थे, काफी टाइम काम किया उन्होंने, और उसके बाद उन्होंने अभी स्क्रम का सर्टिफिकेशन किया. ठीक है, आफ्टर अ टाइम स्पैन, बिकॉज टाइम मतलब इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम स्पैन, मोर देन 7 or 5+ years, and that is holding a value now. Doing a Scrum certification very immediately without an experience will not land you anything. They worked, they understood the product, then their organization told them that now is the right time for you to get yourself certified. Okay, so this is how you have to get it. There is a lot of demand right now in the market. There is a change in the market. The market is more prominently now turned into a consultancy market. अगर तुम लोगों के प्रोफाइल्स देखोगे, हायर एंड वाले लोगों के प्रोफाइल्स देखो, you will see that they are acting as a consultant in either analytics. Okay, so what does a consultant mean? You don't work. What are you doing? uh, they act as a consultant. Now, what does a consultant mean? You don't work for the company, but you give inputs to the company. So you can work at a given point of time with 2 to 3 people instead of just working with one. Now, you will act as a consultant. Your main task is right now giving them analytics of how to improve themselves. Now, when you give them analytics of how to improve themselves, your analytics starts from the starting point to the end point. Example, when you enter the college for the very first time to take the admission, what was the point where you met? The point was the security point. If somebody had talked to you very rudely there, what would have been your output? Your output would be people are not good in the college, right? Or the security is bad in the college. That's the word of mouth which is getting spread. That is known as your service desk. ये सर्विस डेस्क तुम्हारा किसी भी कंपनी का मेन पॉइंट होता है. अभी ये ऑनलाइन हो सकता है, ऑफलाइन हो सकता है. Sorry, I did not realize that I was not in the meeting. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible now.
Sorry, yaar. Class, if this happens the next time, no, you inform like this only to somebody. पता नहीं मुझे क्या problem था. Okay, coming to the next slide. Now, who are the teachers who are going to teach you? I'm going to teach you. Also, Bhavesh sir will be there to teach you. So depends. I would be there for theory, so would be there for practical, or vice versa. Somewhere or the other things are going to work out for the subject. If you have any doubt related to the subject, you can either talk with me, you can either talk with Bhavesh sir. I don't have any problems. Okay, fine. Coming to the content, the first, I told you, you have total 5 units. These 5 units are working like this. First is the strategy. क्या करोगे हम लोग, क्या करेंगे हम लोग उसको अचीव करने के लिए. डिजाइनिंग, ट्रांजिशन, ऑपरेशन एंड कंटिन्यूअल सर्विस इंप्रूवमेंट. इसको अगर तुम लोग ने एससी के स्टेप्स के साथ मैच किया, एससी में कौन सा पीडीए, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल के साथ अगर तुम लोग ने उसको मैच किया, इज दिस वर्किंग अकॉर्डिंग टू दोस सेम स्टेप्स? First you plan, you design, you start making code for it, you start testing it. After testing it, you put it for maintenance, right? So is it working the same way? Fine. Your first unit, all the units are going to have the same flow. Please get it very clear. You're going to have principles. Principle stands for the characteristics. And next, you are going to have the challenges, success factors, and the risk which is associated with it. Okay. And then is the unit name. So all 5 units are going to work accordingly. See the second unit, which talks about the design. So principles, design processes हम लोग क्या use कर सकते हैं, critical success factors and risk. Then you have the third unit, same, fourth, fifth. Okay. Coming to the books. Finding an ebook is easy, but finding a hard copy of the book is going to be very difficult. All the hard copies of this book range somewhere around 5,000 plus. So it's not going to be easy for us to get the hard copy. Now, soft copy हर एक unit के लिए बनाया है. Check. Strategy, design, transition, operation, and continuum. I'm going to share this. तो अगर देखोगे soft copies roll over करो, you will find there is a lot of content to read with examples. Coming to the practical of the subject, we are going to make use of an online tool which is known as MIT App Inventor. It works on Android, it works on other mobile phones also, but I'm a little doubtful about its working with the iPhone. So during the practicals, make a point that you have your own laptop, your own device with you for getting the practical run. We have in total 8 practicals. Read the topics for the practical, all of you. First is just an introduction. Second, we are going to design a canvas, normal canvas painting, freehand. Then we are going to design a sharing application. मतलब एक phone से दूसरे phone में data डालना चाहिए. Then we are going to have an meter. I hope you understand the reason for having an oscillometer. Then we have a chatting application, pedometer, voice based, like whatever you want to speak and the data is found out. And last is based on your IoT and embedded devices. So that is what we are planning for the practical. Coming to the marking scheme, you will be having 2 exams, internal 1, internal 2, which is your MCQ based 30 marks. Attendance, active participation and activities. I hope you know me very well by now, that your marking completely depends on how you are during the class, how well you answer during the class. यस, तुम्हारे इंटरनल मार्क्स तुमने देखे होंगे. गुड. And practical submission 1 to 10, whichever it is, please submit it in that time slot of 2:30. उसके बाद avoid करो submit करना. Time period रहेगा, we will be able to manage it up. Okay. Then practical assessment 1 will happen the similar way it happened this semester. And for the final exams, you will be given one mini project in MIT app Inventor. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one video. The students in the online mode, was that visible, audible? Okay. How will you hear? तुमको कैसे सुनाई देगा? How are you guys going to hear to the video? क्या कनेक्ट कर लो? कनेक्ट करो, डिस्कनेक्ट करो, कितना तकलीफ है जिंदगी को. इसने कैप्शन भी नहीं है. फोन चालू करो ना तुम लोग का. टीम्स हैंड्स फ्री डालो. फोन चालू करो, हैंड्स फ्री डालो सब लोग. दो लोग चाहिए तो स्पीकर पे डालो, बस ज्यादा नहीं. Shall I start? That's an echo, right? Sorry.
Welcome to ITSM 101, where every week I'll discuss concepts and best practices related to IT service management. If you are new to the discipline of IT service management, often abbreviated to ITSM, then this short video will give you an understanding of the basics in under 2 minutes. So what is IT service management? There are many definitions. For instance, ITIL, a globally popular IT service management best practice framework, defines ITSM as the implementation and management of quality IT services that meet the needs of the business. For me, though, it's simpler to just say that IT service management is improving business performance through better IT delivery. IT service management thinking is very important. In fact, IT service management is based on the concept of IT delivered as a service. So rather than thinking of IT management and provision across the separate IT domains of network, compute and storage, IT service management looks at the delivery of IT services, such as email or a managed desktop service. For me, it's easiest to think of IT services as the things that we as employees or customers use or consume. The important thing to remember is that IT service management is about making your company's IT better. That's better for business operations, better for employees and customers, and I would argue better for the IT department too, with the ultimate aim of improving business performance. On a more practical level, IT service management is a collection of IT management capabilities, often referred to as processes, that enable IT departments to design, create, deliver, support, and manage IT services. The most common of these are incident management. That's dealing with IT issues, usually via a help desk or service desk. Service fulfillment. This is dealing with requests for and providing new IT services, again via a help or service desk. And change management, ensuring that changes to the IT ecosystem are controlled to reduce risk and to hopefully speed things up. So that's all I could cram into this short video, but look out for further fresh service videos where we'll dive
So that's it, class. That's it for the day. So now we move ahead.